I'm a Republican because of the values, the conservative values of the Republican Party. Because when I was young and I looked at it, one party just didn't make a whole lot of sense and the other one did. Now, as I've grown and matured, my thoughts and opinions on things have changed a little bit. I grew up very much, I think they're called rush babies now. I would come home get off of school and my mom would pick me up and I'd sit in the car and Rush would be on. And he'd have all his parodies and things and we'd laugh and laugh about different things that were going on. And as time it made sense. And as I've grown and learned, I don't believe Rush is 96% of the right, 90% right 96% of the time, but he probably is right 70, 80% of the time. I've matured. I've looked deeper in issues than I once did as a child, and I know there's some people out there who probably have not looked as deep into issues as I have, who've not, gone beyond the visceral name of a bill or what the propaganda out there is, and so yeah, there'll be extremists out there. There'll be people out there who I don't necessarily agree with. But I know there's more people on the other side that are just as extreme. I know there's more people on the other side who are more concerned about winning than they are about doing what's right. And just like there are people on my side who are concerned about winning instead of doing what's right. And it's incumbent upon any of us who may be not as to the far right or to the far left to come together and to be involved in the political process, because in the middle is where people govern. It doesn't matter how to the right or to the left your presidential candidate is. When they get in office, especially in an executive position, they've got to govern from somewhere near the middle. Now, we know Barack Obama is a little far left than anyone in my lifetime, but still, it's much more to the middle than the people who elected him. And those of us who may be considered in the middle or moderate, it's up to us to be involved and to make sure that we're working to get things done and not just working to fight and be the winner all the time.